Sound block. 60. I regret my decision.
Dialogue. How do you feel about quitting your job?
Honestly, I regret my decision. It wasn't the right time.
I'm sorry to hear that. What will you do next?
I'm going to look for another job, hopefully soon.
More expression. I regret my actions. I regret not studying harder. I regret saying that. I regret missing the opportunity. I regret leaving my job. Small talk.
1.
Do you regret anything from your trip?
I regret not taking more photos. The scenery was beautiful. 2.
Do you regret selling your car?
Yes, I regret it. It was really convenient. 3.
How do you feel about the last project?
I regret not spending more time on it. We could have done better.